Gen Z, no? Swerte kayo kasi dinesign ko para sa inyo. Pero mukhang mas marami ang hindi Gen Z. Kasi siguro nagsisisi sila na wala silang foundation na ito at humahabol sila. It's more difficult for us to embrace this because we've always been used to this. But right now, it's something we want to look into. So that's A, money. B, money is time, energy, and effort that you put in to your work, to your business, to your job, to your career that will bring in money also. Nothing wrong around it. In fact, most of the businessmen I know, kumikita ng malaking-malaki pero grabe ang stress, grabe ang anxiety, grabe ang overwhelmment because nakafocus lang ang buhay na tungkol sa kitaan. Malaki ang problema nito, ask me why. Pag tinanggal yung negosyo nila or nalugi yung negosyo, nagsara negosyo na, saan sila pupulutin? May kakilala kayo, siguro kapitbahay, magulang nyo, nung kalakasan pa before the pandemic, no? Let's say mga chief purser, mga pilot ng napakagandang airline, kilala nyo? Napakabarangya ng buhay, yes? Nung pandemic, ano nangyari? Halos lahat sila depressed. Kasi wala silang alam ibang gawin kung hindi lumipad. At here's the thing, meron tayong tinatawag na retirement. Pag nag-retire yan, do you think excited yan, happy yan o madidepress yan? Bakit? Yung buhay na nakasalalay lang doon sa kanilang career. Not good or bad, right or wrong, but that's the reality. Kaya nga, I'm really encouraging you to check out a lot of things altogether because I don't believe in retirement. I will work not because I have to, because I want to. Is that something that you want? But are you willing to invest your time, energy, and effort to do all of these three?